In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll walk through how to duplicate a Google form and share that copy so others can create and use their own version, all while keeping your original form intact. This is perfect when you've built a great template and want teammates, students, or clients to start from the same structure without touching your master form. First, open the Google form you want others to copy. You can find it from your Google Drive, or by going to your form's homepage and selecting the form. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you have editing access to this form. Otherwise, some options won't appear. Now look to the upper right corner of the form editor. Click the three-dot More Options menu. It's the vertical ellipsis near the Send and Settings icons. This menu holds extra actions for managing your form beyond basic editing. From that menu, choose Make a Copy. This tells Google Forms to create a separate, independent form based on the one you're viewing. The copy will include your questions, sections, themes, and most settings. It does not bring over old responses, which is exactly what you want for a fresh start. A dialog will appear asking you to rename the form copy. Give it a clear, descriptive name so people immediately know what it's for, such as adding template, or the audience it's intended for. If you see an option to choose a Google Drive folder, pick where you want the copy saved so it's easy to find later. Then confirm to create the copy. In a moment, your duplicated form will open, ready to share. Finally, share the copied form so others can create and use their own version. If you want people to fill out the form, click Send and share the link, email it, or embed it on a site. If you want others to customize the questions or make their own copies, add them as collaborators from the same area so they have editing access to this copy. That way, they can open it, adjust the content, or create another copy on their end without affecting your original. When sharing with collaborators, it's a good idea to clarify expectations, such as keeping response destinations separate so everyone uses the form correctly. That's all there is to it. Open your form, use more options to make a copy, give the copy a clear name, and share it in the way that best fits your goal. Keeping a pristine original and working from copies will save you time and prevent accidental edits.